Welcome to another edition of our Conversations with FinTech Leaders. Today with us, we have got a venture capital investor, Ioto Iotov from MainSet. Ioto, welcome to Peel Hunt.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Where are you seeing activity? Like, where is it? And you talk about payments, and from my standpoint, payments is probably the most mature of fintech verticals.
Absolutely.
But there is still newer ways of payments and payment technology coming through. But apart from payments or some of these insurtech you mentioned, where is the activity? Where are you spending time on?
You know, when you think about the evolution of data, there was the creation of data, there was the storage of data, there was the protection of data, and now it's the utilization of data and businesses which can utilize this data to build incredible products or to help other businesses leverage their data. So those are some kind of the macro trends we're interested in, and we think those transcend the sub-verticals that we invest in.
And payments is evolving quite a lot, and especially in emerging markets. And while the Visa, MasterCard-driven ecosystem with the likes of Stripe and Adyen and WorldPay are still there, and then they're still kind of quite fast-growing big businesses, we are seeing an emergence of wallet-based ecosystem or local payment methods, and also the need for payments orchestration, because now customers are paying in different methods, and obviously the account-to-account kind of method is not yet prevalent, at least in the UK, but I believe it's only a matter of time. So that's where we are seeing a lot of activity as well.
If we were to break it down to the sub-verticals, neo-banking, for example, neo-lending.
Yeah.
Fascinated to hear what you think about that in terms of the opportunity set there.
I would say the neobanks have cracked the code in the UK. So obviously and a lot of these companies we're looking at, Revolut, Zopa, Monzo, Alika Bank, Oaknote, and so on. Majority of them had their life start 10 years back. And I was reading some stat the other day that 1 out of 2 adults in the UK have a neobanking account. It may not be their primary bank account, but they are there. Where I think last year, the 5 neobanks I mentioned cumulatively generated 1.4 billion of pre-tax profit, which I think is a kind of an inflection point in the life cycle.
Even within the B2B payment space, there are certain corridors which are well served.
Yes.
And the promise of stablecoins is 2 things, is speed and cost.